एक सिंपल बट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. Why is social media important for your business in 2026? You might be doing a very well business with good revenue. आपके अच्छे कस्टमर्स होंगे, रेफरल्स भी आते होंगे, तो आप सोचेंगे मुझे सोशल मीडिया की क्या जरूरत है. बट इन टुडेज टाइम जो ऑनलाइन नहीं दिख रहा है वो धीरे धीरे मार्केट से गायब हो रहा है. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर 6 reasons why should you invest in social media in today's time. Number 1, you need brand awareness. Means अपना नाम लोगों तक पहुंचाना. If you have to buy something in today's time, what is the first thing that you do? आप गूगल पे जाओगे और उस कंपनी का नाम टाइप करोगे. The first results that show up like websites, LinkedIn, आप उनको खोलोगे and you will analyze the company. What does this do? This creates a buyer's persona in your mind कि आप उस कंपनी के बारे में क्या सोचते हो, उनकी क्या credibility है. But if they find nothing related to you, it creates issues. What kind of issues? Which means you lack credibility and you lack trust. So अगर आज की टाइम पे अगर आपके बिजनेस को कोई सर्च करता है और उससे रिलेटेड उनको कुछ नहीं मिलता, इट कैन लीव अ बैड इंप्रेशन. सो सोशल मीडिया पे अपना फेस दिखाने का मतलब ये है कि आप अपना ब्रांड और प्रोडक्ट लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हो. देयर इज अ कनेक्शन एंड रिलेटेबिलिटी टू इट. तो जितना उनका वो दिखेगा उतना वो उसको खरीदेंगे एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ब्रांड अवेयरनेस. सेकेंड इज डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन विद योर कस्टमर्स. पहले के जमाने में आप लोगों से कैसे कनेक्ट करोगे? यू विल डू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ और यू विल डायरेक्टली रीच आउट टू योर कस्टमर्स. बट इन टुडेज टाइम इफ यू आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया, आपके कस्टमर्स आपसे डायरेक्टली इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली राइटिंग कॉमेंट्स, दे आर डूइंग DMs, दे आर आस्किंग यू अबाउट द प्राइस, अदर थिंग्स, what they felt about the product. So this is like a direct channel that has been opened up with your customers and you're constantly interacting with them. And this makes sure that your customers are completely satisfied, or is there something that you need to improve upon? So in today's time, marketing is not just about selling, it's about building relationships. Third, trust or authority banana. You are an expert in your field. आपके पास सालों का experience है. So you have an opportunity to share that experience with people. जब आप अपने इंडस्ट्री insights, knowledge, आपका experience लोगों के साथ share करते हो, then people will see you as a trusted expert. And when people look at you as an expert, they don't look at the price, they look at the value. Fourth, new customers and market reach. आपका बिजनेस लोकल लेवल पे बहुत स्ट्रांग है, बट डिजिटल दुनिया में आप उसे एक ग्लोबल ब्रांड बना सकते हो. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, these are not just platforms for entertainment. These are digital markets where millions of people are active just to watch you. आपकी एक छोटी सी client testimonial video, behind the scene video, product video, you can reach out to hundreds of your customers just with that one post. Fifth, competition se aage rehna. Your competitors might already be active on social media or are currently making their LinkedIn and Instagram page. They're already posting reels and attracting customers. If you are not getting highlighted in that race, you are missing out on your customers and it might impact your sales in the future. तो अगर आपको इस रेस में पीछे नहीं रहना है, then online presence is not a luxury anymore. It is becoming a survival strategy. Sixth, a very important one, human touch. People don't connect with logos. They connect with stories. जब आप अपने business के values, अपनी कहानी लोगों तक पहुंचाते हो, then people connect with you emotionally. A very simple behind the scene post can make your brand more human instead of a boring company. So अगर आपका business अच्छा चल रहा है, congratulations. But imagine what all can you do by being online and being active on social media. Do remember that it's not just about posting stories, it's about sharing your values, vision, and culture with the people outside your company. And remember, jo dikhta hai wahi bikta hai. So if you have not started your social media journey yet, you can start today by making an Instagram page or a LinkedIn page, something as small as developing a website. And if you need our assistance in it, please contact APT Brand Lab. For more such informational videos, you can like, subscribe, and share APT Brand Lab.